How's it, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another session. Yeah, today I'm going to be going over some setups that I'm looking at right now. I'm currently long on RV here. It was based on the 0.618 retracements, and it looks like it's going to start ripping here. To be honest with you, it looks like a very, very clean setup. So if you want to take it long now, you could even take one at the current market price because it looks very clean. Yeah. So we are long here for RV. Basically looking for price to return back up to the 88.2 zone. Yeah, because looking at the setup, it's basically just based on the 15-minute time frame, right? We had this move, push, move, higher, higher. So I'm expecting price to just fall this whole range over here. Yeah. So that is the setup that I am currently in. See how it plays out. Obviously stops just below this wick here. Just because if price takes out this low, then we will probably come back into this. So yeah, personally, I am long on here. If you guys want to take this setup, could potentially good. But essentially, if you look at the 30 minutes, 30-minute close bullish, and the 1 hour candle as well. The 1 hour closed with doji, so that's interesting. That closed with doji, so this puts a little bit of worry into trade because it closed with a doji. Yeah, we're gonna have to monitor it. But we do have our stops just below that way, so it's all good. I want to go over Bitcoin here just to see what's happening. Obviously, yeah, I mean it's still getting rejected here. It's still getting rejected here. Yeah, there we go. We're back. So if we have a look at Bitcoin, it's quite obvious. There's certain levels that we need to look at here. So the daily high 34,000. This level here, right? This level here is a huge rejection zone, right? Massive rejection zone, massive rejection zone, massive rejection zone. So for me, taking a short here is more of the play. We already had that within today, right? Have a look here on the 15. I'll show you on the 1 hour. We had this rejection over here, but we created this bottom wick. Looks like price may come up here. So overall, as long as Bitcoin respects this level here, as long as Bitcoin respects this level like this, I'm still expecting price to make a higher high here over here, and then look for a long right over here, and we take something like that. That's currently my sentiment for Bitcoin at this current time. If you guys did just join, welcome. So basically, we are long on one coin, and that is Ove. My setup, I am long based on 15 minutes, but the problem is, like I said, the 1 hour candle does look like it may flip bearish here. So the setup isn't like 100% great, but still a setup I'm really willing to take because when you take your Fibonacci level from a swing low to swing high, we bounce exactly from the 618 level. Okay, when we bounce exactly from this level, we normally see quite a nice rally. I'm expecting price to come up here. If it doesn't come up, well, then it's fine. It's okay. My screen's frozen. I don't know why it keeps on freezing like this. But like I said, if you guys want to take this long with me, you can. We are long here just for other. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have any charts you want me to go over. We will be looking at some other trades as well. But this RV setup is the only one I'm really looking at the moment. Most of the other trades that I've taken were sent in the Telegram group. So good day to everyone as well. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so we're just long on this trade here. currently looking at nothing really else. Let's have a look at Filecoin. Filecoin's about to break the range high, yeah. Very interesting. Is about to break the range high. So like looking at this trade right over here, right? I mean, I'm looking for a break of this level here. So I've got an alert. So basically, if Aave closes above 3.861, then I'll take a trade to fill the wick. But until then, that's not really my trade to take. Because a lot of people are probably gonna be shorting the zone, right? So what I want to do is I want to take a long back up to this high here. But we need to see a closure above this level. See, we have all this resistance on the right, on the left here. So this whole level here get taken out. So say if I'm long on Aave, told you guys we did enter that long on Aave. We'll go back and check how it's doing. Let's essentially looking for Aave. I mean, I think it's gonna pump here. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, beautiful setup. Nice little bottom wick. Um, looks clean. You can hold this until TP around about 88.22. Definitely a good area to look at. Yeah, so that's Aave. That's a trade that we took. Yeah, I mean we in nice profits already here from the entry. Very nice setup. Beautiful setup. And like I said, as long as Bitcoin keeps up this positive bullishness, fine, yeah, continuation. So, like this trade, as long as the price closes above like 86.21, red line over here, we should see a nice pump. And this trade was just based on the Fibonacci sequence. So if you guys want me to run through the Fibonacci sequence again, just let me know. But essentially, that's all we did for this trade. It was just based on the 618 retracements. It was basically just based on that. Um, yeah, there's not much else I'm looking at really. Uni, I missed this guys today, so I was waiting for closure above here, and I ended up not even taking it. This was a beautiful setup. Nice 2% trade. So on a 20x, that's 40%. That was a beautiful setup. So basically, yeah, that's why I'm long on XRP as well. So the market still looks bullish there. This was the trade we did take this morning. Obviously, as long as price starts closing above this TP2 level, then we could look at another entry. But basically, just long on Aave at the moment, looking to take out these highs. But you're overall quite bullish on today. If you look at Bitcoin again, we need to start closing above the daily high. So like on the 4 hour time frame, if price closes above this level here, then we can expect Bitcoin start tapping into these wicks over here at like 35k. And then if we look at Bookmap as well, so this shows you all the orders, so exactly how to read this. Yeah, so you can see on the right here we have quite a lot of resistance at 34,600. As long as if Bitcoin starts taking out those highs, then we can expect 34,700 and then potentially 35k within the day. So I mean, it is a bullish day. You don't really want to take shorts on the day. Personally, I'm only taking longs today, just based on the price action. So yeah, overall still quite bullish. Yeah, I mean, if we look at Ethereum, Ethereum's been doing well as well. So most of the coins, especially Solana, Solana's up around about 6% on the day. The next level, I was speaking to the one guy earlier, and we're speaking about a potential 37 on Solana even within today. But the thing is, there is no news today, so there's not much. We won't expect much volume. But on Wednesday we have FOMC, and then obviously Friday we have NFP. So this week's quite big in terms of news. So we need to watch out for that. But until then, I mean, I can't really take this trade for Solana because we've kind of already missed it. Traded that bottom wick, and we should see a pump back up to 37.9. But yeah, looks quite clean. Yeah, nothing really else there. You know, we've posted most of our trades in the groups there. Yeah, Ethereum. I mean, this is exactly what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Yeah, same thing as Bitcoin. As long as price for the 4 hours, sorry, in 44 minutes, the 4-hour candle closes, and if it closes above 1808, you know, we can look at a potential long to 1851, and then you know, if it breaks 1851, we're going to be looking at 1900. So, I mean, overall, the market's very bullish. So taking longs, like I said earlier, is definitely the play. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Um,
Yes.